Greetings! This tutorial is to help you gain a better understanding of how to effectively search a database to find the journals, articles, and information you need for a research project. So to get started, you're going to click on the database that you would like to search. For this video, we're going to be using the Biological Science database from ProQuest. Now, you will see that we are on their basic search screen with a single search bar. This is where you would type your topic in to begin your search. Now let's say you need to research a genetic disorder and how that disorder is currently treated or managed. If we type genetic disorder into the search bar, you'll notice that we have over 287,000 results. And these results are sorted by relevance. You can also notice that further down the page, you can apply various filters such as the source type. You can select particular dates the resource was published by. You can even select what language it's in. We'll look at these filters a little bit more in just a minute. Regardless, almost 300,000 results are far too many to sift through. So before searching in a database, it is useful to have a specific topic to search for. That will help you narrow down the results. So let's say the genetic disorder that you want to research is color blindness. So if I type that into the search bar, you'll see that there are still just under 10,000 resources available. We can try to narrow down these resources using the tools to the left. We could select those that are full text only, those that have been peer-reviewed by scientists. We could select the source type, but I kind of like the source types that are currently provided, so I'm going to leave that one alone. Publication date is probably the most common filter that's used during research. More recent articles tend to reflect the current understanding and ideas of a science topic. So we really don't necessarily want the ones from 1971. So I'm going to slide this bar over to get the articles that were written from 2010 to the present and update it that way. And you can see my results drop down to just over 6,000. That's still thousands of results. So we might want to consider a more advanced search. So let's select the Advanced Search tab near the top of the screen. So instead of searching for color blindness anywhere, I can actually select in this advanced search to find it as the author, which doesn't make any sense, only in the abstract, or maybe the document title, because that would let me know immediately that the article is definitely about color blindness. So by performing that advanced search and changing it to color blindness in the title, I dropped from over 6,000 results to 44 results. And you can see color blindness is in each one of these titles. And of course, I can also apply the additional filters like the publication date, where I don't want the one from 1955. I want the more recent articles about color blindness. So if I filter it from 2010 on, you'll see that I went from 44 results to 18 results. Again, each one with color blindness in the title. But if you recall, the last part of the assignment was to uncover possible treatments for the genetic disorder that you researched. So if we go back up to that advanced search tab, we know color blindness for the document title worked beautifully. So now we're going to type in treatment. I want to look for or search for color blindness and treatment. And because document title worked so well the first time, I'm going to look for color blindness and treatment in both the title. And you'll see that sadly 0 results were had. No worries. I'll go back to the advanced search screen. And instead of searching for treatment in the document title, as long as it's anywhere in the document, I probably want to take a look at it. So I'm going to update my search. And you can see that color blindness, again, stays within the title of the article, but now I've got treatment also showing up somewhere within the actual article itself. And I can click on any of these to see what they're talking about in regards to color blindness and treatment. And we went from 18 results to 6 results that cover color blindness and treatment. So regardless of the database you select, whether it's one the library subscribes to or a credible free database that you find on the internet, apply these same search strategies to help in your research endeavor. Be sure to have a specific topic in mind, perform an advanced search when possible, and use any filters that are relevant. And of course, if you get stuck, you can always reach out to me. Happy researching!